Thank you very much, Chair Del Bene and Chairman Aguilar and Vice Chair Liu, for your leadership. Yesterday was a dark day in my home state of Arizona. Our state Supreme Court reimposed a near total abortion ban, a law from 1864, before women could vote in the state of Arizona, before Arizona was even a state. It is one of the most restrictive bans in the country, with absolutely no exceptions for rape or incest. As devastating as this ruling is, it is not surprising. This outcome is exactly what Donald Trump and MAGA Republicans intended when they worked to overturn Roe. And if they think the safe, politically expedient stance on abortion is, we'll let the states decide, this is the result. Last night, I was on the phone with a doctor, an abortion provider, back home in Maricopa County. She said, women will die because of this decision. Her patients are calling her clinic panicking. And she said even planned pregnancies that become high risk will be affected. A constituent of mine, a bright young engineer, wrote to me just last night saying that she no longer feels safe trying to start a family in Arizona. She's terrified that if something were to go wrong, her doctors wouldn't be able to give her the care she would need. We are at an inflection point in this country. And I know I speak for my colleagues here when I say we will not sit by and watch our fundamental freedoms be stripped from us. This November in Arizona, safe and legal abortion access will be on the ballot. And people won't walk. They will run to the polls in Arizona. And they'll come out in force to elect candidates who truly, consistently, and sincerely support abortion rights at every level of government, especially here in Congress. We have some of the most competitive congressional seats in the country in Arizona. And right now, the same politicians who co-sponsored the Life at Conception Act to end all abortion and celebrated the Dobbs decision are trying to distance themselves from the Arizona Supreme Court ruling. The American people are smart. They know when politicians are talking out of both sides of their mouths. When Democrats take back the House, and we will, we're going to take women's rights in this country forward, not backward. We're going to protect access to IVF and contraception. We're going to pass the Women's Health Protection Act and restore Roe as the law of the land. I'll hand it back to Chair Aguilar for questions.